Macquarie Group will be asked to appear before a Senate inquiry to respond to allegations that its advisors artificially inflated the price of a small mining company before a sudden collapse wiped out hundreds of investors. Executives and stockbrokers from the country's largest investment bank are also expected to be grilled over suspicious trading activity that coincided with a string of positive announcements by Cleveland Mining Group, which helped its share price to almost triple in value over a 2-month period in 2012. Australian Greens Senator Peter Whish-Wilson confirmed that he would ask for Macquarie to appear before an ongoing Senate inquiry into consumer protection in the banking, finance and insurance industries. The motion is expected to win the backing of Labor in the Senate, along with several independent members of the upper house. This case raises serious questions about Macquarie Bank's conduct and how systemic investment strategies of this nature are in the industry. Once again, this case underscores the need for a royal commission to get to the bottom of allegations of this nature, Senator Whish-Wilson said. Senator Whish-Wilson, who worked as an investment advisor with U.S. firm Merrill Lynch before entering politics, said the stockbroking industry had not received the same scrutiny as the banking and financial planning sectors. My guess is there are probably more skeletons in this closet than any other part of the industry. Equities can be a very high-risk investment environment, especially trading in low-cap, speculative mining stocks, he said. The Age revealed in June that disgruntled investors had launched legal action against Macquarie, amid claims its brokers had deliberately ramped Cleveland stock by orchestrating the acquisition of a Brazilian iron ore mine project with a potential value of $34 billion. The mine, in the northern Brazilian state of Amapá, turned out to be worthless, but helped propel the share price to 95 cents. Macquarie's then divisional director Michael Rosenbaum and investment advisor Stefan Whiting have been accused of artificially inflating the price of Cleveland shares when they advised clients to buy the stock, according to documents sent to the corporate regulator by lawyers acting for Cleveland investors. McPherson Kelly lawyers alleged that Mr. Whiting played a key role in the acquisition of the Brazilian iron ore mine, in an apparent breach of his conflict of interest obligations. The stock collapsed in late 2012, before it was voluntarily suspended from the ASX in October 2016, when it traded at just 7 cents. Mr. Whiting and Mr. Rosenbaum are both expected to be called before the Senate inquiry, along with Cleveland's chief executive, directors and investors. Michael Hazel, of McPherson Kelly lawyers, said a Senate inquiry could help determine if alleged misconduct by Macquarie advisors had contributed to client losses in other ASX-listed companies. We represent a number of clients who suffered losses after investing in Helix Resources and where some of the circumstances surrounding those losses are similar to those in the Cleveland mining matter. We note that Macquarie has been on notice of these issues for many years, Mr. Hazel said.